Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering ERR SSL protocol error, then watch this video for the solution. Now this error usually occurs in the browser when the SSL certificates are corrupt. So the first thing we need to do is to clear the browser cache. For that we will now what steps I'm going to show you are the same across all browser platforms, be it Google, Opera or Chrome. So click on this and then click on history. Look for clear browsing data, and then here you need to make sure that the time range is all time. Make sure that all the boxes are ticked, the cached images, the cookies, the download history and the browsing history, and click on clear now and then restart the browser again. This error should not appear, but if it does, then we will need to disable the extensions. So click on the buttons, go to extensions, manage extensions, and make sure that the extensions are all in the switched off position, and then restart the browser and check it again. If it still doesn't work, then we need to disable the QUIC. For that we will type in edge, hi, this one, backslash sorry, and we will type flags. Now this will be the a little bit different for Chrome browser and the Opera browser. So you need to search for exactly how do you enter this flags mode. And now we will go to disable QUIC. We can search to make it faster. Okay, experimental QUIC protocol, it is in default. We will then just disable it. We'll click on disabled, and that should fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, then we need to sync the system time and date and clear the SSL state. So uh, what happens is when the system time and date are not proper, it causes issues with the SSL certificate. So right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on time and language, date and time, and we will make sure that the set time zone is set on automatically, set time automatically, and then most importantly we'll sync it. Wait for the check button to come, and we need to clear the SSL. So we'll go to network, settings, control panel, network and internet, and then we will go to internet options. Here we will look at the security. Now make sure the security is set to medium here, and then we will check for the content. On content we will click on clear SSL state, and this should clear the cache. Now after all this, we need to restart the driver, and you should no longer see this error. If this video helped you, then subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.